Welcome back, guys, to the World's General Knowledge Quiz. Today, we will dive in the thrilling journey around the world. Welcome to Quizzingly Yours. Let's begin.
Which African country is known as the Rainbow Nation? South Africa. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Amelia Earhart. What is the world's largest coffee-producing country? Brazil. In which city is the famous Colosseum located? Rome, Italy. What is the tallest mountain in North America? Denali, formerly known as Mount McKinley. Who is the author of Pride and Prejudice? Jane Austen. What is the national animal of Canada? Beaver. What is the largest volcano in the world? Mauna Loa, Hawaii. In which country is Dubai located? United Arab Emirates. Which planet is often referred to as a morning star or evening star? Venus. What is the name of the first human to walk on the moon? Neil Armstrong. What is the nearest galaxy to our Milky Way galaxy? Andromeda Galaxy. Which spacecraft was the first to reach the moon in 1959? Luna 1 or Lunik 1. What is the name of the phenomenon that occurs when a massive star explodes at the end of its life cycle? Supernova.
Thanks for watching. Your support means the world to us. Like, share, and spread the knowledge with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.